Hello and welcome to Business 360. I'm Shireen Bhan. The headlines that we're tracking for you this evening. Stock market snap a three-day losing streak thanks to a late rally, but shares of new age companies like Paytm and Nykaa continue to fall. Share sale by anchor investors via block deals and fears of more stake sales spook investors. Oil prices rise after Saudi Arabia denies reports that it was discussing an increase in supply with OPEC and its allies. The Saudi energy minister said that the kingdom was sticking with output cuts and not discussing any potential increase in production. The union government is unlikely to launch any new subsidy scheme in the upcoming budget, say sources. The government is also considering a 31,000 crore rupees scheme to boost green hydrogen. Protection and preservation of the environment will be one of the big priority areas. That's a CNBC-TV18 budget exclusive. Telecom companies seek parity, want licensing norms for OTT services like messaging, email, video calling. Also bat for KYC norms for OTT players, make a pitch against administrative allocation of spectrum for private networks. Workforce crunch at Air India. The airline is looking to hire foreign pilots as it faces a severe shortage of trained and experienced pilots. Air India is also staring at a cabin crew crunch with 450 personnel having opted for VRS and their release date being the 30th of November. The Supreme Court refuses to grant an urgent hearing to a plea challenging the union government's decision to extend the electoral bond sale window by 15 days. The apex court says it will hear the petition along with other pleas against electoral bonds that have been pending since 2017. The Australian Parliament ratifies its free trade agreement with India. This is India's first FTA with a developed nation after a decade. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal says the pact will give Indian industries access to cheaper raw materials. At least 250 people are dead and many more feared trapped in rubble after an earthquake struck Indonesia's Java island. Hospitals are overwhelmed and thousands left without electricity. Well, with less than 3 months